Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, do your own personal practice and on your demo account. That is, you should practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Starting from this support zone, it started an uptrend, and you can see the yellow flag and the blue arrows shows that the market is on uptrend at that point, and it gave us a buy signal. The market range around there for a while before breaking out above this resistance zone around there, and of course you see it buying till it got to this resistance zone. Right now it has not been able to break out above the resistance zone, so it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. Boom 500 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. That is why we had a downtrend signal around there, and of course the red arrow, okay, signifying a sell order, and of course it kept on selling until it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out below the support zone. If it's unable to break out below it, to go back on buy trend, but once it breaks out below it, it will keep on buying. It is still selling at the moment. This might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so now the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 started an uptrend right from here. You can see this yellow flag and the blue arrow, so it kept on buying until it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there after trying it out 2 times, and of course it's still finding difficult to break out from there. So right now it's pulling back at the moment. If it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more and may likely get to this region before it may likely get to this region before pulling back again to try out the resistance zone. But if it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back up to try out the resistance zone to see if it can break out above it. Okay, at the moment it is selling. It might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out below that support zone, then definitely it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so now let's go back to the next asset, which is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500, and of course this had been on uptrend for a very long time. Right from this support zone, it kept on buying, and it is still buying at the moment. It has gotten to a resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for long, so most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Next asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone and kept on selling and selling. It broke out from this support zone. You can see the support zone right here. It broke out from there, and it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out from the next support zone, then it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but for now this is still selling. Okay, so we should take note of all these and apply them carefully whenever we are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? If you have any question, it is either you drop your questions within the comment section, or you reach out to me on WhatsApp if you have a personal question. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.